Hello, my dearest scholars. Welcome to Faith Math Academy. So today we are going to be talking about easy tricks to pass Math 101. I hope your jotting materials are ready. So let's get into it. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you. First thing is you need to understand. What did I say? Understand. You don't just memorize. You don't memorize the formula. You don't just focus on how the formula works. How it works, like how it is used. No. Focus on how it is derived. Why is it like this? Understand it. Like some in some situations you can come to examination and become confused. Like confusion will just come. Like, is this thing minus? Not that you don't know it though, but you just get confused. This is when the understanding will help you. So when you understand the basic, then you'll be able to derive the formula. After deriving the formula, then you will now be sure that this is the formula to use to solve this. So you don't just memorize. Some of you just memorize and okay, this is, let me memorize. Some of you will memorize equation. Like, who does that? Understand? You get it really help you a lot. Yeah. Secondly is practice, regular practice. The more you practice, the better you know. So try to at least solve 2 to 3 questions a day. After lectures, after receiving lecture, after classes or anything, try to solve a question by yourself. You understand? Search for where you don't understand. So assess yourself. You get assess yourself. Yeah, it's really going to be of help. So the third one is teach. Be a teacher. You don't really have to have a student. Like, I mean, somebody you are teaching. Sometimes you can teach yourself. Yeah, I do it most time. When I'm reading, I'll be like, after reading, I'll sit down. I will tell myself, talk to myself. Ogochugo, what do you learn? This is what you did, right? It's really going to be of help. So if you are kind of person that don't have friends, or you cannot meet somebody to teach you, teach yourself. Yeah, nobody will help you. Help yourself. Teach yourself. Sit yourself down and teach yourself. Sometimes be like you're talking to yourself, you're mad. No. And if you have friends, teach a friend. Yeah, it's really going to be of help. Teach a friend. The more you are teaching, the more you are memorizing. The more you are teaching, the more you are knowing what you are reading. The more it sticks into your brain. It really helps. Yeah, teach. So be a teacher. Either to yourself, to your friends, or create a group reading, which really help you as a student. Fourth one is ask questions. Don't be confused. You're a scholar, man. Don't be confused. If you don't understand something, speak out. Yes, if you cannot talk to a lecturer, talk to a friend. Talk to a friend that you know that is perfect or is good in that field. You cannot be confused and want to learn. It's not possible. You cannot. I'm serious. And remember when I was in secondary school, like, if you are teaching me and I don't understand what you're saying, I'll just be looking at you. Like, when you are done, is there any questions, sir? What if like this? What is sometimes if I'll be confused even by asking questions? Like, I will not even know. Then later I'll go and meet lecturers, I'll go and meet the teachers for I'm telling you the fact. Not because I want everybody to know that I'm brilliant or I know I sabi. No, but because I want to learn. Yes, you will learn. Just open up. If you cannot tell a friend, tell a friend. If you cannot tell a friend, tell a lecturer. If you cannot tell a lecturer, tell a friend. So choose one. This one is step-by-step breakdown and solve sharp. I know you don't have enough time to solve all your questions, I understand, but you don't have to rush. No, because you are not going to get anywhere if you rush. What you have to do is you're going to calm down. Break them down step by step. Be smart, solve sharp, manage your time. You have limited time, so you have to be smart, sharp to manage your time. So when you are solving a question, look into the other question, solve it step by step. Don't omit any step, don't miss any step, because if one step is wrong, the others are rubbish. You get? If you start from the beginning, the first step, second step is wrong, then the third and the fourth one is totally rubbish. So you have to start all over again. So you have to calm down, chill. It is examination. It is not a competition. You get? So you calm down, solve them step by step. That is what will help you to get the correct answer. So you understand? So after this, then you will be able to at least finish your examination, finish your questions, then go back to crochet, because we are humans. We are humans. We are born to make mistakes. We are prone to be so guys, we are prone to make mistakes. It's possible for us to make mistakes. You get what I'm trying to say now? So you should try to cross-check your work so that you'll be very sure that you'll be very sure. So be sure to check your work. So after this, you are good to go to write your examination. So remember, before you will be able to do this last one, you should have understand the first one, understand the basic, understand the topic, or understand the formula. Then after understanding the formula, then you should be able to practice, because practice makes perfection. Then when you've practiced, you've made perfect, you are used to the topic, then you can now teach, because you cannot teach what you don't know. You get? Then after practice, then you can now teach. Then after teaching, you now take what? No, I need to hear from you guys. Speak to me, baby. After teaching, you now what? Talk now. People don't want to talk. Yeah. After teaching, you now what? You will now ask questions in case you are confused. Ask questions like, what is after question? Then you now what? You solve sharp, manage your time, solve sharp, step-by-step breakdown, and see yourself getting a good grades in Math 101. Love you guys. Bye. And please use these tricks, and if these tricks help you, drop comments so that we can post more easy tips to help you as a student that will make uni easy for you. All right, yeah. Bye bye. I would love to see you again in my channel. Please like, subscribe, and what? Share.